Hi everyone, it's great to see you. I am here with Pumpkin and Pickle, and they are going to help me do an unboxing. This is from Mr. Maple, and there are two different items in here, and I'm excited to share them with you. Oh, and the kittens have been waiting for this unboxing. They love a good unboxing. Okay, so the first item in here, let's see, we're going to take this one out first very carefully. Oh my goodness, look at how tall that is. Okay, so this is a full moon maple called Jordan, and what denotes a full moon maple is that these leaves look like a full moon. They're very round, giving it the impression of this circular shape here. And Jordan is known for coming in the spring in a real bright yellow color, sometimes outlined in red, and then deepening to this green through the summer, and then in the fall turning both a combination of burgundy and orange. So this is a tree that has really good color. In order to keep it happy, although Jordan is known for being heat tolerant, it still likes partial shade, especially in the hottest part of the day. And it's going to get to be about 10 to 12 feet in 15 years. So it does get a little taller, but I'm going to be keeping this in a planter, which will be wonderful. And then the other item that I have in here is not a Japanese maple this time, but this is a red twig dogwood. This is a red twig dogwood called Red Gnome, and it's a little bent over at the moment. It gets to be about, I want to say, yes, 3 to 4 feet, so it's already probably about 3 to 4 feet. And you know how it is with red twig dogwoods. They are deciduous. So the leaves fall off for fall into winter, and the newer growth turns a very, very gorgeous bright red. In fact, usually I buy some red twig dogwood to put in some of my planters. So now I'll be able to, once this gets big enough, cut it so that I can use this in some of my winter arrangements, which really is why I wanted this. It's not the most spectacular shrub for in the summer. I mean, it's fine, but it's not like, oh, that's amazing. But come the cold weather, that's when this red twig dogwood called Red Gnome is going to shine. So let me see. Oh, this one can get, yes, over 10 years, it can get 3 to 4 feet. It will get some white berries that are tinged with blue-green that ripen in the mid-summer. Yes, we're not going to taste everything, boys, but boy, this is entertainment, isn't it? But these will be really good to add to the garden, and I'm going to actually keep both of these in my grow bags because I want, when the red twig dogwood is looking its best, I want to move it to one of my bag in the pots close so I can see that beautiful red twig look in the winter. And same for our full moon maple. I want to see that beautiful fall color and be able to put it nearby. So thank you for joining me as I unbox these and the kittens say hello. Thank you so much for joining me, and I'll see you in the next video.